Isang pandahan ka. Lahat po ba kayo first time? Bukan na ako. Ako, oo.
Oo.
Virgin. Parang ang sarap na maliit din.蛮谢钱的，对吗？是有这样。欧美的物件。
这是三个。
菲律宾很贵啊。
Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to the morning welcome po sa Puerto Francisa Subterranean River National Park. Pangalan ko po ulit, Alvin. Ulit yung mga kasama sa loob ng 45 minutes. Then, if you have any question about the cave, don't be hesitate to ask question po, no? Kaya yun lang po behind you is finally discussing the information about the cave. But when I stop talking po, it means I'm done. And also reminder to all of you when you lock up when opening your mouth because there's a potential drinking water inside the cave. First one, holy water. Second one, holy shit. If the cold one, it's okay, it's a water, but the warm one, it's not okay. It's a bad shit. Ang haba pala ng cave, 8.2 kilometers per long. The navigable zone, 4.3, but the regular permit today up to 1.5 kilometers a week. And also po, the water depth, 27 feet to